Is weaving something that's always fascinated you and you just wished you could do? Well, you actually can. And what I'm going to do today is actually walk you through how to make your very first scarf. So this is the project that we'll be working on, and I'm going to walk you through every step of it, right from setting up your loom, choosing your yarn, and everything in between, right down to finishing that beautiful fringe on the bottom so that you have a lovely scarf. You'll learn all the skills that you need to finish a scarf just like this, and you'll have the confidence to be able to move on to your next project. Now, if you're a brand new weaver, this is a perfect class for you. If you have been weaving for a long time or a short time and you're looking to level up your skills, there's lots for you to learn in this class as well. We'll be talking about tips and tricks that will make things easier for you. And of course, because it's a YouTube class, you'll also have access to the video for another 30 days after the class to go over it, practice a new project, and just learn all the skills that sometimes you're just so focused on learning that you can't absorb everything. If you're the type of learner who likes one-on-one, we can set that up too. I know there's lots of people who like to learn one-on-one. They feel like they're holding the class up, or they've got too many questions, or they don't want to feel like they're hogging all the time. So if you are one of those people, just contact me through email or direct message me on Instagram or Facebook, and I would be happy to set up a time that we can do this class together one-on-one in a time frame that works for you. So we can divide this into 2 sections if you want. And of course, for those who are not in North America, or maybe you're way out on the West Coast and my timelines don't work particularly well for you, we can set up a time that works for your time zone too.